Hey guys, how are you all? LG has launched a new smartphone in its Q series, LG Q70 in Korea. The LG Q70 is priced around $500 and it will go on sale in Korea starting from September 6. The phone comes in mirror black color. It is a successor of LG Q60 which was unveiled at MWC event earlier this year. LG Q70 features a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus resolution with the aspect ratio of 18.5:9, which is a full vision display. The phone is powered by 2 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 675 processor with Adreno 612 GPU. Coming to the camera section, the phone is equipped with a triple rear camera of 32-megapixel rear camera with an aperture of f1.8 and a 13-megapixel 120-degree ultra-wide camera and a 5-megapixel of depth sensor. The phone has a 16-megapixel front-facing camera housed inside the punch hole notch for taking selfies and video calling. LG Q70 has a 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 2TB with a microSD. It runs on Android 9 Pie and has 4000 mAh of battery with a Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 fast charging. The phone has a GTX 3D surround sound and has a dedicated Google Assistant button as well. It is a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner at the back of the phone. It comes with MIL STD 810G compliance that can withstand impact, vibration, high temperature, low temperature, thermal shock and humidity. So this is all about the upcoming new LG phone, LG Q70. Hope you like this phone and hope you like this video. So what you feel about this LG Q70, please comment in the comment section and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.